Okay, I'm starting out my video today by reading Revelation 6:14, which says, "And the heaven departed as a scroll when it is rolled together, and every mountain and island were moved out of their places." Okay, we're going to look at some of the words and numbers of the scripture. To begin with, we'll notice that is at Revelation 6:14. I'm going to look up what 6:14 is in the Strong's Concordance, which I thought was quite interesting, is that 6:14 means ingathering, harvest. So when this event takes place, that's when the ingathering takes place. That's when the wedding takes place, the harvest. And two of the outstanding words to me in the verse were scroll and rolled. The heavens depart like a scroll that is rolled. And if you think about it in terms of the veil, it'd be like the two sides of the veil coming together. So it'd be like a rolled scroll. So if you roll up the scroll, think of it going backwards, like the two sides of the veil coming together. And the two common denominators in these two words is R-O-L-L. And if you shrink each letter down to its smallest value, like R is 18, 1 plus A is 9, you're going to get 9, 6, 3, 3. And going backwards would be 3, 3, 6, 9. And if you put the two together, 9, 6, 3, 3, 3, 3, 6, 9, all the numbers in the middle add up to 24, and 2 plus 4 is 6, which makes the 969. And we can see how that has to do with the veil. If you take the word veil, V is the 22nd letter, E is the 5th, I is the 9th, L is the 12th. Take all those numbers, add to its reverse, not carrying the number over. 2 plus 2 is 4, 1 plus 2 is 3, 9 plus 5 is 14, 1 plus 4 is 5. Do that all the way across. You're going to get 435, 534. And 435 plus 534 is 969. So that's to do the two sides of the veil. Also, veil equals 48 in simple gematria. 84 would be its opposite. And if you take all these numbers, 121, 614, add it to its reverse, you're going to get 537, 735. And 537 plus 735 is 1272. What's interesting about this number is 12 plus 72 equals 84. Going backwards, 27 plus 21 equals 48. So you got 48, 84, the two sides of the veil. And if you go to Strong's 1272, let's see, I had it set up here. And we'll see what that means. Because when the two sides of the veil come together, that's when the veil opens. That's when we leave. That's when Jesus comes to get his bride. Okay, and notice what the meaning of 1272 is. And that's in the Greek Strong's. And its definition is to open completely. I open fully. So the veil is going to be opened. So I thought that was pretty interesting. And also, if you take this number, 537, add it to itself, don't carry the number over. 7 plus 5 is 12, 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 and 3 make a 6, 5 and 7 can make a 12. 1 plus 2 is 3, so you get 363. If you put its opposite next to it, the 3 and 6 are going to make a 9. The 2 3s make a 6, and 6 and 3 are going to make a 9 again, so it's going to be 969. If you take 363 plus 363, add it the regular way, it's going to be 726, which means harpazo in Greek Strong's, which is a catching away. If you shrink down these numbers, 121, 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. You got your 6, 1 plus 4 is 5. You got 465, add to its reverse, 564, not carrying the number over. It's going to be 939, added to its reverse, not carrying the number over, will lead you to 969. And if you take all the numbers of the scripture, 121, 614, multiply them all. 1 times 2 times 1 times 6 times 1 times 4 equals 48, and veil equals 48. So this all has to do with the veil being opened, the harvest, the ingathering, Jesus coming to get his bride. And 969 has to do with the veil, and wedding in Hebrew gematria equals 969. So all it has to do with the wedding and Jesus coming to get his bride. I'm going to do a second part to this. I'm going to get into Isaiah 34:4 is the other scripture that says about the same thing, and see what numbers that does. Okay, I hope everybody has a good day.